What in the world happened to this thing? Oh, man. Oh. Wow, she slipped right off. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, girlfriend called me up earlier this week and said, hey, my power steering's gone. So, me being the DIY guy that I am, I came up here to New York to check it out. And, well, it looks like we got a power steering line that just popped off. So, we're gonna go ahead and fix that because, well, it made the front end look like we hit a deer or something because there's just all this goo covered on the front from a mix of stop leak and power steering fluid. That's nice. So, we're gonna go ahead and fix that, clean her up, put her back together. The biggest issue is we gotta take the whole bumper off just to get to what we need to get to. So, fortunately, that's gonna be most of the work. But anyways, guys, it's a balmy 20 degrees out here. That should be fine, so we're excited about that. Anyways, let's go ahead, jump right into this project. Before we do, subscribe down below, really appreciate it, and well, let's get after it. So guys, literally, now that we got in here and everything, literally, the hose just popped off the fitting and was just sitting here. It's just sitting here like that, and all the fluid was coming out. So, and that hose actually isn't in the best shape, and it connects right down below there. So I think we're gonna go ahead and try to put a new section of hose in just so that doesn't break. And then this one here, I'll look at it, but I think it's in okay shape, just the return line back to the reservoir. Probably leave that one, but we'll definitely replace this section, which just connects right below there. So let's go ahead and do that. Guys, got the old hose out, as you can see here. And a little bit closer view. You can see this, oh, come on, focus for me. It's not too healthy there. See all the cracks in that hoses and everything? Yeah, it's not too great. So we're gonna go ahead and get a new section on there and I'll be good to go. Oh guys, it's so cold out here that my new hose doesn't want to slide on the little nipple under there. So we're gonna go ahead, fire up the old propane heater and get the hose in front of it to make it a little more pliable and wanting to go on that there pipe. we got it running, and if you see here, we're dry as a bone. Just a little residual there from me working. Yep, we're good to go. So she's circulating through there now, and we got power steering, it works. So good to go. So now he's got to put everything back together. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. We actually got her done with just a section of hose and a couple of clamps, so she's back on the road. Really excited about that. Got her fixed. Another DIY project done. Probably saved myself, I don't know, $100, $200 for a $20 section of hose and some fluid. So pretty excited about that. Be sure to comment, subscribe, guys, if you like these type of videos down below. And as always, be sure to follow me over on Facebook and Instagram, MattDIY1. Until next time, guys, be sure to get out there, do it yourself.